Welcome to AppIQ. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove malware from an Android phone. So for example, if you notice that your phone began suddenly slowing down and then it's just weird and stuff. So what you're gonna do is go to the settings app, scroll down until you see device care, and then even though you can see that it's good now, click optimize.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. You see, my team and I publish simple step-by-step tutorials showing you how to use your favorite apps, its settings, and various features. And so if you're finding these tutorials useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button below to also show some support and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos coming up every single day. Thank you guys for watching and let's continue.
So as you can see, there are no malware apps detected. So it means that we are safe, but if there is a malware detected, you can clean it from this. It will show another prompt to clean it, but or to remove it. But since you don't have it, click done, and there you have it. Thank you, and see you in the next video.